just as I suspected. Embers!
Look at them glow. They're so pretty.
Ah! They're also red hot.
How? Floof wet down everything.
I know, but what happened is, this area is filled with peat, mushed down vegetation. It's very flammable.
Even when it's wet?
No, but there's lots of layers of it here. Floof just wet down the top layer.
But the peat embers are still burning under the top layers.
Exactly! And they'll keep making big fires until this whole area is soaked and fully swampy again.
Ah!
Sounds like Floof's gonna be pretty busy swamping up the place.
I don't think so. They need way more water than Floof can make.
So, how can they stop the swamp from burning up again?
Floof can't keep putting out fires forever. How do we soak this place and put out all the embers?
There has to be water nearby. These are swamp plants. They wouldn't have grown in the first place if they weren't saturated with water.
So we just have to find the water supply. Let's look.
Or listen. If there's water flowing around here, I bet I'll be able to hear it. Sound power! I got it! There is water close by. Follow me. Yes! We found it! Hello, beautiful water!
Great job, Mandy.
Hang on a second. I'm confused.
Why? You wanted water? Mandy found water.
Done and done. Let's start soaking the embers.
Yes, but these are canals.
Canals full of water.
Again, all good.
No, all bad. Canals just don't happen in nature. Someone built them. And look, they're leading the water away from the peatland.
So, someone dried out the peatland on purpose?
I think so, but why?
Not sure, but I think whoever it was left something behind. Look.
What is it?
I've read about vehicles like this. It's for logging.
Not just anyone's logging. Look.
Floof!
Uh-huh. Preston Praxton's logo. Of course he's behind this.
Oh no! Where is he? Are we going to get booby-trapped?
I don't think so. This thing is pretty rusty. Whatever Preston did here, he left it behind a long time ago.
So now Preston's causing trouble with an abandoned business?
Abandoned logging business. It all makes sense now.
Yes, of course it does. It all makes sense.